Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric nail drills that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the COSLUS electric nail drill. The COSLUS nail drill is a versatile electric nail file designed for acrylic, gel, and dip powder nails. It offers adjustable speeds and 6 different drill bits, making it suitable for various nail treatments. This nail drill is beginner-friendly with its easy-to-use pen-shaped design and lightweight body, allowing you to control speed and direction effortlessly. It operates quietly, generates low heat, and is durable, ensuring a comfortable and long-lasting performance. Its lightweight and portable nature enable you to enjoy manicures or pedicures anywhere, anytime. Moving on, at number 4 we have the COSLUS Nail Drill File Professional. Get the COSLUS Nail Drill Kit for your manicure and pedicure needs. This multifunctional kit offers adjustable speeds and various nail drill bits to polish, remove acrylic, gel, and dip powder nails effortlessly. Even if you're a beginner, the easy-to-use design allows you to control speed and direction comfortably. The durable, low-noise, and low-heat features ensure a pleasant experience while extending the product's lifespan. With its lightweight and portable design, you can now enjoy nail art anywhere, making it a perfect gift for nail enthusiasts. At number 3, we have the Beurer MP42 7-in-1 Electric Nail Drill Kit. The Beurer MP42 nail drill offers a versatile 7-in-1 kit that includes 7 different drill bits made from sapphire, stainless steel, and felt, perfect for handling various nail care tasks. It also features a bright LED light that helps you clearly see the area you're working on, making precise nail filing and buffing easier. You can switch the drill's rotation direction to work comfortably on either hand or foot, which is especially helpful if you're doing your own manicure or pedicure. Plus, with 5 adjustable speed levels, you can choose the right power for tough toenails or sensitive skin, ensuring gentle yet effective nail care every time. At number 2, we have the Alety Electric Nail Drill Kit. Alety Nail Drill Kit is a powerful and upgraded electric nail file that is perfect for both technicians and beginners. With its 22,000 RPM motor and shock-absorbing bearing, it provides low vibration, low heat, and low noise for a comfortable nail filing experience. The ergonomic and lightweight design makes it easy to hold, and the adjustable speed and direction controller cater to both right and left-handed users. This multifunctional kit comes with 6 all-gold nail drill bits and 26 sanding bands, allowing you to achieve any manicure you desire. The Alety Nail Drill Kit is not only reliable but also backed by professional service, making it an ideal gift for any occasion. And finally, at number 1, we have the MelodySusie Electric Nail Drill Machine. MelodySusie Nail Drill Kit is a versatile and portable electric nail file set that offers a wide range of functions to meet all your nail care needs. With its powerful rotary motor and 11 different nail drill bits, you can shape, buff, grind, and polish your acrylic, gel, and artificial nails with ease. It is also perfect for removing thick nails, builder gel, dip powder, fake nails, natural nails, and cuticle dead skin. The low heat, low noise, and low vibration design ensure a comfortable and quiet nail care experience. The adjustable speed and direction feature allows for easy control and is suitable for both right-handed and left-handed users. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and use anytime, anywhere. The MelodySusie Nail Drill Kit is a must-have tool for both professionals and beginners, saving you time and effort in achieving beautiful nails. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.